Good day, and today I'm going to show you some really sweet tricks. So, if you've been having trouble with your laptop fans being loud or your computer fans, don't worry because today I'm going to show you how to fix that. So, what you want to do is you want to type power plan. Just go to your search bar, and this works for Windows 10 and 11. You just want to type power plan. Then you want to click on open. It's just that easy. So you just type power plan, then you want to go to power options. So the first thing, if you're doing normal tasks, make sure your plan is set to balanced. Then we're going to click on change plan settings, then to advanced power settings. So you just follow what I do. You want to scroll down and click on processor power management and adjust the maximum processor state to 95 to 99 is okay. It's not going to take any performance from your computer, and it doesn't make a difference. So what this does, it will make your fans to run a little bit cooler, because what makes your fans to make a lot of noise is when your CPU hits 100%, and thus your fans need to work harder to remove the excess heat out of your computer. So after that, you just click on apply, then you want to close that part and restart your computer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you like this video.